use the phrase "on the other hand" when making comparisons. Here's an example. Having your own business can be very rewarding. And then there's a semicolon at the end of this section of the sentence. On the other hand, comma, it requires many sacrifices and involves some risk. So here is the good part about owning your own business. And here is sort of the negative part about owning your own business. On the other hand is similar to the words but and however. So if you're tired of always using this coordinating conjunction or this conjunctive adverb, then you can use this phrase, on the other hand. Moving to the United States could provide you with many opportunities. And here's the semicolon. On the other hand, comma, you would miss your friends and family. It would be possible to replace on the other hand with however. This is the conjunctive adverb, and there'd be a comma here with a semicolon here. Or if I take this off and put a comma here, then you could use the conjunction but. Moving to the United States could provide you with many opportunities, but you would miss your friends and family. So, on the other hand, is simply an alternative to but or however. I don't know if it's a good idea to buy a house, period. On one hand, comma, it can be a good investment, period. On the other hand, comma, owning a home involves a lot of work. So in this example, there's a statement that's made. This is the statement, and a person weighs two possibilities, one that's good and one that might be negative. So here, this is the good aspect of owning a home. It can be a good investment, but owning a home involves a lot of work. So this is what's good, and this is what is potentially bad or somewhat negative. Use on the other hand when talking about two sides of an issue. It can be difficult to live in a cold climate. Here's a semicolon. On the other hand, comma, there aren't any bugs to deal with when it's cold. So in this statement, the fact that it's difficult is mentioned, but then this is the good part about living in a cold place. There aren't any bugs. So this is what's good about it. On one hand, it's difficult. On the other hand, it's good because there aren't any bugs. Here are 3 sentences. In the first statement, living on a farm would be fun, period. You could have all different kinds of animals. And then here's a long dash. Horses, comma, goats, comma, chickens, comma, or cows, period. And this is a new sentence, so this is a capital O. On the other hand, comma, it would be a lot of work. So in this first sentence, there's this idea that living on a farm would be fun, but in this sentence, there's the recognition that it would be a lot of work. So a person who says something like this is considering both sides of a situation. What's potentially good or potentially bad or negative.